Hey guys, it's Logan with Enduro Engineering, and today we're going to talk to you about the carbon fiber two-stroke pipe guards that we offer. This particular one we're going to put it on a 2020 XCW TPI model, but we make them for a lot of two-stroke models, so head over to our website, see if we got one for your bike. Okay, so this carbon fiber pipe guard is going to protect your pipe from dings and dents, from rocks and other debris that you might see on the trail. So what your pipe guard is going to come with is one, the guard itself, and then you're going to have two clamps that you're going to have to take an 8mm T-handle or socket and go ahead and open those up. That way you've got them open and can wrap them around the pipe guard. Alright, so you got two different size clamps, a larger one and a smaller one. The larger one's going to go up top where the pipe's a little bit bigger. On the pipe guard there's already slots built in, so you're going to want to run the clamp from the inside. That way it's over the top of the pipe guard, and then back through the other side. Run that all the way through, and then this is what's going to wrap around your pipe. You want to take the smaller one and do the same process that you just did with the upper one. Then the next step is going to be going and fitting it on the bike. Okay, you're going to want to take your pipe guard, make sure these clamps go on the outer side of the pipe. First spot, I find it easier if you get this smaller end lined up and almost started. Work as far as you can, and then give it a few whacks. And then once you go ahead and get these clamps lined up, when you tighten those down, it'll pull it the rest of the way onto the pipe. Okay, now that you've got it all lined up, take your hose clamp, get it started, and then you can take an 8mm and either use a socket or T-handle, or it is slotted, you can use a flat end screwdriver. You can see it starting to pull in towards the pipe and get more flush. Once you get the top one done, then go ahead and repeat the process on the smaller end. Alright, so now we're going to go to the smaller end of the pipe. We're going to tighten that one, and as you can see, as I tighten it, it'll go flush to the pipe as well. You want to make sure you don't over tighten them, because then you'll just break the clamps. You just want to get it snug. About like that. Now you have the option, if you've got some of these hanging off, you can cut those, make them shorter, or you can just bend them in. That's up to you. Okay, now we've got our carbon fiber pipe guard installed on our KTM 250 XCW here. Now it's ready to go out and get abused on some rocks and logs and whatever else you can throw at it. So to order one up today, give us a call at 517-393-2421 or visit us at enduroeng.com.